After that, I've installed the MT4, and from this moment, everything is going to be smooth and easy, right? Right? Hello everyone, and welcome to my FinoTrader Prop firm review. So, a few weeks ago, I saw on a group that there is a prop firm around that claims to have some really great challenges, so I decided to give them a shot. First of all, let's take a look on their site, and then I will tell you my experience with them. So let's see the available challenges. First of all, they have the normal evaluation and also the aggressive evaluation. What's really great about them is that the maximum trading period has no limit. So you can pass the challenge in 1 day, or you can pass the challenge in however days you need. The maximum daily loss is 5%, as in many prop firms, and the maximum loss on the account is 9%. The leverage is 1 to 100, and some really nice targets are here. In the challenge, in the first phase, you have to take 7% on the account to pass the first phase, and in order to pass the second phase, you will need to accumulate like 5% on the account. And here are the prices. They are a little bit higher than the MyForex funds challenges available for these lower accounts, but on the higher accounts you can see here that we have some lower fees than the other prop firms. Okay, also what I really like about them is that after 5 days being funded, they claim to give you the profit split and to give you back the fee, which is a really nice approach. And after that, they claim to have a payment bi-weekly. All right, I think I just covered everything you need to know about them from their site, and now I will tell you the exact story of my challenge and my account on FinoTrader. Alright, so after reading some reviews about FinoTrader, I decided to give it a shot and purchased the 10K challenge account in order to see what's this prop firm about. I made the payment with Revolut around 1 p.m. and payment seems to be made to graphic design. This was a red flag that made me more anxious, and here's why. After making the payment, I instantly received an email regarding the purchase and was informed that the login credentials and details will be provided within 1 to 2 hours by broker IC Markets. But after 2 full hours, I was still waiting for the credentials. Being sure that my money are gone, 6 hours after the payment, I received the account details. After that, I've installed the MT4, and from this moment, everything is going to be smooth and easy, right? Right? Alright, the first thing I did when I logged into the account was to see how the spreads are. I made a print screen here in order to compare the spreads between FinoTrader and FTMO, and of course, you can see that the print screen was made in the same time. There is a remarkable difference, so if you're a sniper scalper, this FinoTrader platform may not be suitable for you. Okay, what's about trades executions? Oh, that's an interesting question. The worst ever thing that happens with FinoTrader platform is that it's lagging so bad, especially in the US market opening, and in the last day it started to do the same thing in the London session opening. I have here some short recordings of my experience with this lag in order for you to understand what am I talking about. Okay, so in the left side you can see what was happening in the real market conditions with US 30 in the US market opening, somewhere around 5 p.m. Eastern European time, info provided by TradingView, and on the right side you can see theoretically the same chart but provided by FinoTrader. As you can see, nothing happens, nothing moves. Of course, in that period you can't execute trades, move stop losses or take profit. How do I know that? Let's see the next video. New day, new great performance of the FinoTrader platform. So basically, I just opened a new buy position, and after that, I wasn't able to set the stop loss or even to manually close the trade. The platform just froze for about 10 minutes, and I was just waiting to see a surprise. Luckily, the trade was going to the right direction, but trading isn't about luck, so yeah. What if the trade was going in the wrong direction? I could just lose the account without being able to move any stop loss. Also, you can see it was already 6 p.m. Eastern European time, meaning somewhere 11 a.m. New York time, so it wasn't even the market opening anymore. Okay. After a few days trading with FinoTrader, I started to think that it may be a problem in the first hours of the US session, but the 7th of March revealed a new surprise. As you can see here, at 11 a.m. Eastern European time, which is the opening of the London session, this happened. I placed the trade, and when I wanted to set the stop loss, this happened again. The platform was frozen again for about 10 minutes, just enough for me to lose minus 2% instead of 1%, which would be my normal stop loss. Other times, you just want to access the platform, but as you can see in the bottom right corner, there is no connection. And no, it's not because of my internet connection, because as you can see, the TradingView platform just works normally. Alright, after having these problems with the FinoTrader platform, I wrote them one email, and also I wrote them a message on Telegram, and you can see their reply here. Yeah. Of course, after their promise of contacting the IC markets, I have never received a reply, and the platform lags even badly, no, also in the London session. I personally can't receive any actual feedback from them. The problem was not solved, and I don't know, I just pretend to have some normal trading conditions in order to reach your targets, guys. Alright. Another remark about them is regarding the commissions. So there were no commissions applied for the traders, and suddenly, without prior notice, on 8th of March, the commission for the US 30 is $7 per lot. Don't get me wrong, I never expected to trade commission-free, but I think that you as a prop firm have to inform your traders when you make changes. You can see here that the commission started to be applied on 8th of March, and until then you can see here that there were no commissions. The commission was 0. I just attached you here, guys, some screenshots of my trading history. Hey, but maybe you didn't check their site and their news. Actually, I did, and as you can see, on 8th of March, they still claim to have a $3.5 commission per lot deducted on the payout page. Also, no email received, no info at all on their Telegram group, just nothing. Okay, now let's do a quick recap of the pros and cons for the FinoTrader Prop firm. As pros, I really like the following conditions. No maximum trading period, meaning that you can pass the challenge from 1 day to how many days you need to pass it. Profit target of only 7% in the first phase. Profit split available after just 5 days, and 85% profit is yours. One-time fee refundable on your first profit split. No restrictions as news or over weekend trades. As cons, I found the following ones. Lagging platform, you saw my previous examples, so I think there is nothing more to add here. Maybe if you're a swing trader, these little gaps are not influencing your trading at all, but I am trading on a 5-minute strategy, so there is no room for this kind of lags. Not very helpful customer support. I mean, yes, they replied to my email, but have you get any conclusion from that? Okay, now as an update of my account, after being minus 4% yesterday due to lags and unavailability of setting stop losses, today my challenge account is about plus 3%, so we are still heading to the 7% target. Will I ever pass the challenge in these lucky conditions? And if yes, will I ever get paid by this prop firm? These are my current questions, so I am going to keep you updated on my progress. If you're interested in trying this prop firm, in the description you can find the link to their page, so check it below. So until now, that's my review on the FinoTrader Prop firm. If you are also trading with them, please write down in comments if you have any other remarks about them, no matter if they are pros or cons. Thank you all for watching, see you in my next videos, and of course until then, trade safe and trust the process.